Welcome to LanguageVector. Today, we're diving into interrogative pronouns, the words that help us ask questions. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They replace the noun we're asking about and include who, what, which, and whose. Who, what, which, and whose are all interrogative pronouns. Here are the examples. Who is coming to the party? What is your favorite color? Which book do you want to read? Whose jacket is this on the chair? Who among all the candidates do you believe is most qualified to lead the project, considering their experience and skills? What strategies can we implement to ensure that the project is completed on time, while also maintaining the highest quality standards? Which restaurant do you prefer, Italian or Chinese? We'll explore verbs. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.